AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 14th of July. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Especially with AMC, man, like I'm still going to stick to my edge. I've done 43,000 videos in 5 years. You know, discretion is telling me what's working, and not only that, I have my data backing up my claims. It's all on my YouTube channel. No one else has come even close, but with this, you can see I have a line pointing towards the upside, which means what? What? It means that I'm still looking to take it further up. You know what I mean? And how's that going to look like? Well, very simply put, if I do not see the price pulling down and giving me any sort of a shift, then bro, I don't quite frankly care. You know, like if I pop up here, you will see the with 43 results. There's not lack of receipts on AMC, but also like if my rules are not met on Monday with this thing in particular, then I'm not gonna just randomly buy. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. If you want to get my free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free. If you also want to stay tuned with AMC.